CQDX, station 595, Northern Nevada, trying.
Tango 621, we're standing by. Hello? Oh, that's pretty vague, dude.
Station 595, Northern Nevada, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, calling CQDX.
Oh, that thingy bobber off over next to Wickman. Sorry about that.
Put down there, Lake Tahoe, 46 in the sticks, Salem, Oregon, 58, Fall Creek, Oregon, waving.
Fall Creek, Oregon, this is 595, Northern Nevada, waving our hand.
595, we got you. There's some other stations raising a little heck in there, making it hard to pick anything out. I got her there, Nevada, out there. 46 in the sticks, Oregon.
Oh boy, what a mess out there. I heard 595 Nevada and about 6 other stations.
344, Springfield, Oregon. Hey, you're doing good. All right, 58, Fall Creek, Oregon. A lot of noise, a lot of stations. Everybody key up at the same time, and that's just working great. I'll sit back and listen for a little bit. 58, Fall Creek, Oregon.
How about it, 58 Fall Creek, Oregon, 595 Northern Nevada.
595 Northern Nevada. We got you, brother. Let's sit back and listen. 58, Fall Creek, Oregon.
73s to you, Fall Creek, Oregon. This is 595 Northern Nevada, standing by. CQDX 595 Northern Nevada, trying.
And, just having good QSOs down here. Shocks. Shocks. Washington, about 8 miles away from the cesspool of Seattle. And, we're just,
CQDX 595 Northern Nevada, trying.
You have a good evening. 595 Northern Nevada. How you doing? Who's Bay, Oregon?
Hello, Coos Bay, Oregon. A good evening to you from 595 Northern Nevada by Lake Tahoe.
Good evening out there, guys. I wish I could hear everybody out there. Radio 2962. Check that sound, okay? 900, Coos Bay, Oregon.
900 Coos Bay, Oregon. This is 595 Northern Nevada, waving our hand.
I'm back there, Northern Nevada. Wave my hand, I'm back there.
73s to you, 595 Northern Nevada, standing by. CQDX, this is 595 Northern Nevada, trying.
Was it 47? How about that Northern Nevada, Seattle, 4311. We're trying.
Come back, Seattle, Washington. You're coming in strong here, Northern Nevada.
What is it? Northern Nevada. It's kind of in and out on me. I'm trying to get a hold of you. 4311 Seattle. We'll try it one more time. Make me look at the radio so I remember what the hell it is.
4311, this is 595 Northern Nevada. We're over here by Lake Tahoe.
593 Oregon Mobile.
Jeffrey, number 10. I heard a 959, I believe. Anyhow, I did hear you out there. Thanks for the comeback there. 4311 Seattle.
4311 Seattle. 73s to you from 595 Northern Nevada, standing by.
84, what happened to you? Yeah, I got your numbers that time. 595, I believe. I'm pretty sure I got it right that time. 595, Nevada. Good talking to you. Good contact, and hopefully this de-action will end so I can go to bed. Right on, right on. Well, that's a good thing. Well, you, if you did.
10-4 on that. Have a good evening.